All right, so welcome back to my YouTube channel where I'll be sharing some amazing stocks that you need to buy. I've listed I think 9 stocks that I'm going to analyze today, and these stocks are very cheap stock that has, in fact, long-term growth for you to be able to benefit. You know, one thing is to buy a stock, another thing is to make sure that you are buying at the right time, because if you buy at the wrong time, it will take you longer period of time for you to be able to make profit out of it. But when you follow the mentorship and then buy at the right spot, as the market or as the stock is growing, you will see the significant growth of them all. Why I'm showing you this fear and greed index is for you to know the direction of the market. Of course, today is public holidays in the United States, and because of this, the market is closed. Today, at the time I'm just recording this, the market is closed and will resume tomorrow. So when you see neutral in the fear and greed index, it shows that, of course, either the market is closed or there is some level of skepticism in the market. But when it moves to greed, it shows that the stock market has actually gone high. That is, the bullish period of the market. So a lot of persons are actually dropping in, trying to buy one or two stocks for them to make profit. Away from that, I'm going to be sharing the analysis of these stocks that I've selected, and I will be, I always talk about the dollar cost averaging when you are buying some set of stocks for you to make profit, and that is what I'm going to be showing you how you can buy using the layer options. You use the layer option to buy stocks. That is, if you have like $100 that you want to use to buy a particular stock, you don't just buy it once. There are stocks you buy at the market price. There are stocks you use the buy option in order to buy, and there are some stocks that you also use this layer, that is the dollar cost averaging, when you put the first 30% of your money, you buy it and then wait. In case it drops a bit lower, you rebuy, and then before you put your 40% to buy the stock. So one of those stocks that I've actually listed out for my followers to buy is this Cosmos Energy. Yes, Cosmos Energy is just $2.16 as at the time of this analysis. And then one thing that you must know when you are buying any stock is to always check the market cap of that stock. If it's deep down, a penny stock, there will be some high level of volatility in order for you to buy. So you can see this stock is sitting on $1.0 billion. That is, it's actually a penny stock, but it's actually doing good. It's doing good. When you check the price to earning ratio, you can see it's actually minus. So the stock is at this best support level for anyone to buy this particular stock. Yes, and then I have one other stock again that you can add to your radar is yes. This is in the semiconductor. Yes, this is also another penny stock that you should buy at the moment. But like I said, when you are buying any of these stocks, don't just buy them on the market price. You use the limit order. Just be patient and make sure you follow this video to the end, because I will be showing you how to use the limit order to buy these shares. So if you don't pay attention to the end, it will be very difficult for you to buy using the limit option, and how to use the limit option in your trading platform. So make sure you follow to the end. So this is one of them. As you're watching this video, try and make sure that you use your phone to write them down, because when you need them, you should be able to buy this stock. So this is another stock, Melco Resorts and Entertainment. At this point, this stock is trading below the intrinsic value and is at its support level. At its support level, you see the market cap is $873 million. It's not yet a $1 billion company, but it's doing well. It's practically doing well. And you can see the price, the stock price, $6. If you buy, for instance, you buy this stock this year, and then in the next 12 months, you will see the magnificent growth of this particular stock that you need to buy. So now I'm going to show you guys how to add these stocks. So another one is the ADT. Yes, ADT. All these ones I'm actually sharing with you. This ADT is listed on the New York Stock Exchange, and the stock price is $8.08. It's a very good stock for you to add to your portfolio. You can see the market cap is $6 billion, and the price per earning ratio is 12.77. And they pay dividend. This particular stock pay dividend, annual dividend, and the dividend yield is showing 2.70%. That is absolutely awesome. And the moving average is also there. So add this particular stock to your portfolio. It's very, very important. LOLO. This is another stock that I love so much. Sitting at $1.4 billion. And some of you always take your time to read about the company and know what they are into. This OLO Incorporation provides software as a service platform for multi-location restaurants in the United States and many other places. So they are doing absolutely well, and I love this. So if I were you, make sure you add them to your portfolio. You can buy any of them. I have another one, GSAT. Yes, this is GSAT. Of course, the stock price is a bit high, and before you buy this particular one, just play some level of patience. Don't just gamble into this particular stock because the price is already high. Though it's a very good company, sitting at $3.02 billion, and you can see the price to earning ratio is already minus 44. So it is at its support base. However, you also need to be patient and watch the market. The market move. Once the market is open, watch the movement. The moving average should be able to show you how to buy this particular stock, which I'm going to show you after I list these stocks that I have mentioned here. Have the CRNT, the Ceragon Networks is another wonderful stock. $2.28, and the market cap is just $203 million, and it's actually doing well. They provide wireless, backhaul and front haul solutions. These are what everyone should crave for, wireless services. That is what they provide in America and many other areas of the world. And one other amazing stock that I needed to buy, this one, when you are buying this particular one, that is BTF, that is Bitfarms. They mine cryptocurrency. This particular stock is just less than $1. For those of you who like daily trade, that is intraday trading, this particular stock is good for you to buy. And when you want to enter such market, always play some level of risk management, such as you want to buy this stock. I can decide to target this stock when it drops down to 0.6 or 0.7 or 0.75, at the market price before I buy. So that once it moves up, I will make my money and then you step out. So this particular stock is for those who do daily trading. I'm not listing this particular Bitfarms for those who want to invest for long term, but for every other one, you invest on long term, because cryptocurrency is not something that one will just major to say you want to buy for long term, because the market is filled with volatility. Yes, it's filled with volatility. For those of us who trade using this platform, we watch the market so closely before we step in. So now let me just share, before I end this particular video, let me show you how you can buy these stocks using the buy options. I mean the buy limit option to buy them, because like I said, you have to, for this number of stocks that I listed, buy them using the layer option, using the layer method to buy them. So I'll go to my trading platform. I'm using Trove Finance to analyze this particular sector. I use Trove Finance to trade. I also use trading 212 to trade. I also use Robinhood to trade. But Robinhood and trading 212, you can only create account in those platforms if you are living in Europe or you are living in America, because they don't give Nigerians or Africans that access because of location. But Trove will give you everything you need to be able to buy this stuff. So when you come to your trading platform, either Trove or any of these companies that you are using, you just come to the search bar. You come to the search bar. For instance, I want to buy KOS. If I want to buy KOS, you just search the symbol. You search the symbol, that is Cosmos Energy. So I will open the Cosmos Energy, and you can see the market is closed for today. So I will say I want to buy this one, but you make sure you must have funded your portfolio before you can buy. You must have funded your portfolio. So I'll go ahead and say, okay, I want to buy this particular stock. So I'm giving an example, and then I would say you come to trade type. You must choose your trade type. In the trade type, you have the pre to post market. Pre-market means that before the market open, like 1 hour to when the market will open, the market would have started showing the pre-directions of the market. Then the post market is when the market close by 9 p.m. as the case may be, or 3 p.m. in America. Once the market close, you will see the post market, what the market showed, and then every other activities that will be going on. Why the buy market means that you buy it as the market is on. The buy limit is what I want to show you how to use it to be able to activate your layer purchase of any of these stocks. So right now, what Trove is showing me is that this stock price is $2.02, but I don't want to buy it at $2.02, because of course from my analysis I've already seen that COS is trading below this particular 2.2 cent. So I'll go ahead and say, okay, I want this stock to drop to $1, approximately 64 cents. So once it drops to this, I want to buy just 4, and then I will say go. Yes, so with that, it will show me the amount, but the service fee is just 79 cents. So I can now place my order. So you do this across all the stocks that I've actually listed. So for instance, this particular stock triggers, or maybe it triggers and it goes the upside, then you can allow it. But if it goes the downside, you can decide to say, okay, you put more in order to, once it rebounds, you've already made your fortune. So that is how you buy any of these stocks. So once again, I want to appreciate every one of you for following me, and like I always tell each person that is following my group, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel as a way of supporting what I'm doing. And not just only that, so that anytime I drop valuable videos like this for opportunities that you can take, you'll be the first to see and watch these videos and take action. So don't forget to help this video to get at least 50 likes. You can also share your own opinions on the comment section. See you in my next video.